within you. You have been looking and seeking answers to make sense of the self, to make sense of the world, your life, your relationships with others, children, husband, wife, family, your friendships and co-workers, your neighbors and those who are feuding in other areas of the world. You've reached a point as a civilization to fully face the knowledge that that which you seek is found within and through the self with an open heart and mind. True seeking, allowing the self to find and receive. The knowledge is this, that all that is outside of the self is a reflection of the inner being, the various aspects of yourself, for source flows through all, a fractal being, reflecting beauty, simplicity, complexity, multiple colors and hues, tones, a myriad of vibration and frequency. And all that you see around you in the world, the behaviors of others, the emotions that move forth, all is an aspect of your own entity being, source self, but connected through you. The time you are living in is so special and unique, as has been every other time period before it. But here you are now, humanity, ready to truly receive and to act upon in a mature manner with compassionate kindness. And how does one being, one awareness, one spark of intelligence in the world heal the whole? Many of you are thinking. It is through the movement of awareness within yourself and ownership of who and what you are as whole, complete, an aspect connected with the one being that is all mind, all emotion, all vibration, all color. Complete. Complete. You reach this awareness, this state, through repetitive practice, through the determined persistence in self-honesty, self-reflection, practicing and training daily, moment by moment, that which you seek to bring into the world, that which you seek to see reflected. Through patience, the process deepens, unfolding. Through open heart, a willingness to see with transparency your own self in all you see and greet and hear of and learn of and meet. So what does this mean? This means that all that you observe and take in, all you love, all you despise, all you run from, all you fear, all you long for, all you are jealous of, all you are content with, all that brings you happiness. You find that acknowledgement through the practice of breath, of moving within to such a degree that you expand outward to the all, the void, the great mind, infinity. And in that state of supreme awareness, of beingness, open yourself to learn to see the divine within those aspects, to find acceptance. It is a fractal reflection of you and you of it, not taking it on, not embodying it, but in understanding you are connected, you are one. And as another feels that emotion, so it is your own self. And as you learn, as you give permission, allowance to forgive, to accept, to love regardless, letting go judgment, as you see the divine in that aspect, and you heal that aspect in yourself, as you send love to that aspect in others existing, as you recognize they, as you, are part of the whole, two fingers on the same hand, functioning together. So the awareness spreads, the understanding deepens, remembrance returns. And through this act, done genuinely in committed practice, with full intention, with awareness and care, healing spreads through all. There are various cultures existing and having passed that have the saying of loving forgiveness with genuine attitude, offering apology for suffering and pain, both in the self and in others, in the world and all existence. Doing this as self, doing this as the oneness in connection and awareness, that blended state. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. And in to the great mind, the oneness, heart being, you breathe these words. You resonate them, vibrating it outward through all existing. We assure you, dear love, healing comes. For all are always whole and complete. Through fractured thinking, the belief in separation, those incarnating have suffered dearly. It's time to return to the state of wonder, of forgiveness, of acceptance, permittance. It is not as difficult as you have heard, as you have tried to convince yourself at times. For in the flash of an eye, a moment, all can be transformed. In the heart and the mind's way of thinking, in the beliefs and behaviors of a being who is in awareness form, who holds themselves in that vibration, that frequency. The effect is healing, the removal, the erasing, the easing of suffering through yourself, through the whole, through those you meet on the street or greet wherever you go, those you see on the news, the media, those you hear, the stories you read. Bless everything. Bless everything. It is that simple. With genuine, true intent to be the good in the world, to align with that of your true nature. It is that simple, through practice, through patience, through recognition that you learn and you grow, as do all others. And play, have fun and adventure. Find the joy as you learn, as you experience. A simple tool of enjoyment is holding the palms facing each other an inch or so apart and relaxing, breathing. Just become aware of the sensation, and as if pulling toffee between your hands, stretch it out. Play with the energy, the life force that flows through. Cast it into parts of your body as healing. Stroke your pets with the intention of love. Write every single word as love awareness. And speak. Use your voice. Oh, use your voice to create and ease suffering and instigate grand acts of forgiveness. Instigate great acts of care. Be the example of life-altering energy, of life force, divine spirit in full force moving through. And walk your feet touching the earth in connection, in prayer of awareness. Aware the Earth Mother is an honor to be with. And in gratitude, touch the trees and look upon nature. Value the air you breathe, the water that nourishes your form. For they too are aspects of your divine being, and you are their reflection as well. In this awareness, enjoy the movement of energy through you. Enjoy learning and your growth, and be the example in action, in what you place into the world, in what you think, in your private thoughts and heart's emotion. Aligning yourself, each energy center open and flowing through front and back of your form, grounded down to the very heart center of Earth Mother Gaia, the divine being she is in form. And breathing up the earth energy, blending the same life force that flows through you, flows through her. And give thanks. Give gratitude for the life you are living, the air you are breathing. Give gratitude for what you have, what you know, what you are capable to do. There is always something to be grateful for, no matter how rich, how poor. Find that bit of gratitude and let it grow. And as you do, your hard spots will soften. As you shine light out through your core energy centers, as you are grounded with the earth, as you expand through the grounding force, moving through the core of your body and out your crown, through the gateway of higher aware self, your myriad forms, moving out through all realms into source. Ask for what you seek to learn. Skills, new abilities, and understand there is learning in the process. Play and have fun, and allow yourself to flow, to open, to broaden, always. Shalom.